Hey guys, Rei-C and Mark here. So today I'm going to show you how to make a stylus pen. So let's go. First you need a chopstick and also a pen and also aluminum foil, and you're going to wrap around to this chopstick around from the aluminum foil just like this. After you wrap around of the chopstick or a pen, you want to make this aluminum foil to make it harder, just like this. And the chopstick face, you want to make it flat, just like this. After you finish this chopstick or a pen, it will draw any cell phone and also an iPad, just like this. You can write just like this. So it will scratch in 38% of your screen, so you need some scratch proof to protect your cell phone screen. And so sometimes it's useful for you guys or useless for me or you guys. So today we're going to do another pen. So the next one is a weapon, just like this one is the weapon. I'll teach you how to make it right now. And first you need a pencil case. If you unscrew it, this chopstick, and also you need a chopstick to do it. So if you do a chopstick, it will happen just like this. Just like this, if you take a box, you get it, it will poke a hole. So I got this pen from the Amazon. So if you want this pen, I will give this to you. It's expensive a little bit, but I'll put in a link down below, description down below. So yeah, so let's go to the next step. Thank you for watching in this video in my channel. I got 13 subscribers, so yeah, it writes well of this. Sometimes it won't draw if you don't make it flat. The aluminum place, just like the face of the aluminum foil. If you didn't make it flat, it won't draw. So yeah. So anyways, thank you for watching in this video. I hope you appreciated to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and see you next time, and goodbye.